I woke up this morning with one crazy thought. What if I could create unlimited viral shots? The same cinematic magic like Zack D, but spend $0 doing it. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not only is it possible, it actually works. If you have ever heard of Zack D, this guy is basically the Messi of YouTube shots. 50 people on his team, top editors, animators, $3,000 per single YouTube shot. And his channel has accumulated over 53 billion views. Respect. But let us be real. Most of us don't have $3,000 to drop on a 60 seconds video on YouTube Shorts, probably Instagram or TikTok. And most of us don't also have the money to hire these top editors and animators. I don't have that kind of money, and chances are you also don't have that kind of money like Zack D. So instead of sitting down and complaining, I went into the deep research mode where I sit down and I test AI tools upon AI tools to find which AI tools that we can use to create the same cinematic 3D animations like Zack D. I tested every free AI tool I could find, broke a few things, rewrite prompts until I cracked the perfect formula to create these types of videos. Now I've built a complete blueprint to recreate the viral Zack D style animations for absolutely nothing. Let us start with step 1. Idea plus script. You need a story that hooks viewers instantly. Forget brainstorming 1,000 ideas and use my process instead. I've dropped a free document in the description. You can click on it and view the prompts that I used to create this. I'm going to take you through the steps on how you can do this.
Alright, so this is Zack D's channel, and right here, these are the bunch of videos he's creating about weird stuff that people do, and these videos are kind of fascinating. Now, this video alone hit 30 million views about a man being friends with a crocodile. I don't know if this story is true, but it hit 30 million views, guys, and this is going to generate him a lot of money on YouTube. And we can also do the same using free AI tools. To start, we head on to ChatGPT. I have a prompt here that I've generated for you. I'll leave in the description. You can copy this prompt and head on back to ChatGPT and paste it. So this is step 1. Paste it right here. I was going to generate you a bunch of stories that you can use to generate these same types of animations on YouTube or probably TikTok. So it's going to generate me 10 of them, and we can then select one of these and then make a script about it. Now head on to the second part of the prompt and then copy the whole thing. Copy it here and head on to ChatGPT and then paste it right here. Now you can see this section, it says insert story title here. So I'm going to delete that part, and I'll head on to the stories that ChatGPT generated in the first prompt. Copy these story and then paste one of them here. So I'm going to click on enter, and it's going to give me a viral script for the same story that we selected, and then it's going to also give me 3D image prompts that I can use to generate images for the video. Okay, so we have scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. So you can copy them and put them in a free image generator. And here I asked ChatGPT to make it 3D rendered image prompts. It made some mistakes here because AI is not 100% accurate. So you read through. If you see any mistake, you correct it. You can see it didn't state that 3D. So I asked it that I said 3D rendered image prompts, and then it's now generating them for me. Okay, so this is the first way you can then generate script and image prompts for your video. Now we want to go viral quickly on social media, so we want to head on to Zack D's channel on YouTube and we want to search for a video. Now this video alone that I'm searching for, I want a viral video. Okay, so this video hit probably 16 million views, and that's crazy. So I'm going to click on this video and then try to recreate this video. We do this just to go viral, so I'm going to copy the link of the video, head on to a website called YouTubeTranscript.com and paste it right here. I'm going to click on get free transcript. It's going to generate me the transcript used in the video. Now what we have to do here is that we need to copy the transcript, head on to ChatGPT and try to rephrase it using my third prompt. Okay, so you can click on turn on timestamps to match the timing, and then I'm going to click on copy, paste it right here. Head on to my prompt guide. I'll leave it in the description. Copy the third prompt, okay, which is step 3, scripting polishing. You can copy these and click on copy, and then head on back to ChatGPT and paste it in front of the script or transcript. Click on enter, and then it's going to generate you a new script. And with this new script, you can then head on to the second part of my prompt and copy this one right here. Click on copy and send it back. This is to generate image prompts for it. So this is another way to generate another story using viral stories from Zack D's channel. And so this is to rephrase everything and add 3D image prompts, right?
Step 2 is creating AI images with Dreamina or Krea AI.
So I'm going to copy and head on to a website called Krea. I'll leave links in the description. I'm going to select image right here. And right from here, I'm then going to paste the prompts right here. Before I do that, I'm going to set the ratio to 9:16 and then paste. We can then select a reference image right here. And this is a video, a screenshot I took from Zack D's channel. And yeah, so that the images that we create might look similar to this. So I'm going to paste the prompt right here. Click on generate real quick. And you can see that it generated a 3D image of a bulldog, and we are trying to replicate the video we saw on YouTube. Okay, so that is it. Nice one. So very high quality from Krea. You can then head on and do the same for the other image prompts, and everything will be fine. Right, so I did it for the rest of the prompts, and then now this is another trick. I'm then going to watch the video you are trying to recreate and then write prompts that didn't show in the prompt that ChatGPT gave us. So you see this image right here, we don't have it. So I'm going to open a notepad and type in whatever things that I saw that is not in the image prompt that I generated. So I'm then going to copy this and put it in ChatGPT and ask it to advance the prompt and make it 3D rendered. So you can also do the same. So paste it right here, and then you can see that ChatGPT is making it advanced and 3D rendered. So from here, I'm then also going to copy these prompts, and this is the outcome. You can see that these prompts, the teeth of the bulldog and everything we need to generate this type of video. And once we have this, we can then head on to view them. This is the first image. We have here very high quality. The second one, third one, fourth, fifth, and this is the remaining, right? So these images are 3D and high quality, and we can use them for the video.
Step 3 is generating realistic AI voiceovers with ElevenLabs.
Now the next thing we do is to copy the script, head on to ElevenLabs, select text to speech, select the voice. I mostly want a narrator's voice, so I'm going to select Jane and paste it. I'm going to make necessary editings to make the reading fast in the script, and then click on generate speech. After 2 seconds, the script is being generated, and then we can simply click on download. You can then select which voice you want on ElevenLabs.
Step 4 is animation with Grok.
We're going to head on to Grok. I'll leave a link in the description here. We're going to select Imagine and turn our images into videos. I'm going to click on upload a file right here. Select any of the images that we generated from Dreamina or Krea, and then we can see that it's generating. To make this prompt better or to make the outcome better, we need to add a prompt to it. You could see that automatically it generated a video. It tries to understand what the image is doing, then it makes the video out of it. You can then download it in MP4 high quality, and I'm going to do the same for the rest of the images right here. And you can see I imported this one, and you can see that it has animated it. I can then add a prompt to it or what I want to happen in the video, and you can see that it changed real quick. It takes like 10 seconds for the video to generate. So I'll leave a link to Grok in the description. You can see that this is nice. It shows a video of the bulldog inhaling. All right, so I generated a bunch of videos, and I'm going to combine them to form the video. I'm going to combine it with the audio.
Step 5 is the final editing in CapCut, where you combine everything and assign it with a voiceover.
So to do this, we're going to head on to CapCut, click on import, and select the video that you generated from Grok with the audio that you generated from ElevenLabs. Add the audio in the timeline, and you can see, and then once you're done. You time what is happening in the videos to the audio. So you want to time it, and this takes a little bit of your time to do. You want to look through and time the videos with the audio, and you can add transitions and animations and a whole bunch of things here to make the video look nice. We're going to select captions, and right here I am then going to generate captions by clicking on generate. It is similar to the CapCut mobile app, so you can also edit it on the mobile app. Okay, so I'm going to generate the captions right here, and see, we have the captions generated, and I'm going to look for a free one because I'm using a free version of CapCut. So you can see that I can select this. I can also select another template for captions, and this is how you create 3D videos like Zack D style. After 10 minutes of editing, I was able to come out with this.
When a bulldog breathes, it's a struggle, each gasp, fighting past a crushed snout and sealed nostrils. But centuries ago,
Now you can make 5 to 10 videos a day all for free using the AI tools that I showed you in the video. I'll leave links in the description. Just follow the cycle: ChatGPT for your story, Dreamina or Krea AI for image generation, ElevenLabs for voice, Grok for animation, CapCut for editing. If this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me something sweet. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is EarL Jones, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.